What if your roof could open and you could see the stars? Or you had a pergola that didn't rot? That's the outdoor living product of your dreams. This right here is some aluminum extrusions. And this makes the entire unit of the Luxury Pergola, a DIY louvered pergola that opens with a motor. Why does that matter? A Costco pergola is $3,000. Well, you also could look at the other end of the industry, and the rest of the louvered industry is about 30 grand for the same product. So why is ours somewhere in the middle? And the reason why is because we just cut out the dealer portion. Instead of shipping it to a dealer and for them to install it for you, I just ship it to you. And we've designed it to be easily installed. And I know everyone's cutting out the middleman these days, but why are we doing it? Let me show you. Louvered pergolas operate a lot like window blinds, but what they're made out of is the difference. This aluminum stuff here is a pain to cut. This isn't like your standard wood project where a contractor could cut it, make a mistake, and go to Home Depot to buy a new one. This part right here costs about $300 to replace. Take our base trim, for example. This part right here, to get this cut perfectly, for it to have laid in like that, means this size and the degree on this cut needs to be absolutely precise. And to get that right on a chop saw with an aluminum part is incredibly challenging. And cutting aluminum isn't easy. That's why we have a precise industrial grade upcut saw to get the exact unit that you order and the exact size that you order with a clean cut. Even down to this powder coat is important because you want to make sure the paint looks the same as it does now as it does 2 decades from now. That's why we use the highest grade powder coat available on the market. Not only that, but every extrusion in the entire build is made in the United States and then cut in our warehouse in Indiana. Here at the Luxury Pergola, our family just wants you to enjoy your product. We don't want you to worry about cut angles or kerfs. Just receive it, build it, and enjoy. So if precision, durability, and longevity are important to you, don't buy a wood pergola, buy the Luxury Pergola.